Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to organize a hackathon event in Notion, the 2025 edition. The first step is to create a new page in Notion for your hackathon event. This is the base where all your planning, organizing, and tracking will live. The reason we do this is to have everything in one place, making it easier to manage and monitor progress. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating sections within your page. These sections can include teams, schedule, judges, and sponsors. This helps us because it allows us to categorize all the information, making it easier to find and update. Each section can be expanded using Notion's Nested Pages feature. Next up, let's populate each section. Start with the Teams section by listing all participating teams along with their members. In the Schedule section, note down all the important dates and times. Don't forget to include milestones and deadlines. For the Judges section, list down the names and contact information of your judges. Finally, in the Sponsors section, record all your sponsors and their contributions. This step is crucial as it ensures all your data is stored and easily accessible. As a bonus step, consider integrating your Notion page with other tools like Slack or Google Calendar for reminders and notifications. This is not mandatory, but can greatly improve your efficiency by keeping you on top of things. Moving on to the last step, regularly update your Notion page. Notion's real-time collaboration feature allows everyone involved to stay updated, which is why maintaining the page is essential. Let me explain why this matters. A well-organized Notion page can serve as a centralized hub for your hackathon event. It keeps everyone on the same page, reduces miscommunication, and ensures a smooth operation. And that's it. You now know how to organize a hackathon event in Notion. Remember, the key to a successful event is organization and communication, and Notion helps you achieve just that. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy planning.